evaluate logarithmic or natural log expressions. So for examples up here, our first one is log base 2 of 64. The way that we approached these in class was we said, all right, let's just set this equal to a variable so that we can get this into exponential form. So exponential form, we identify the base is 2, so we say 2 raised to the a power, what's on the other side of the equal sign, 2 raised to the a power is equal to whatever we were taking the log of, so it's equal to 64. And now we ask ourselves, 2 to what power gives us 64? I know 2 to the 5th power is 32, so multiply by 2 one more time. A is going to be 6. Now when we write our answer, let's just keep in mind that nobody else really knows what this a value is but us, because that's the way we approach the problem. So our answer is saying that the log base 2 of 64 equals that 6. That's what our answer will be. Over here, next example, log base 2. Oh, look at that, same example. Well, we know that's going to equal 6. Probably meant to change that. Oh well. Moving on, down here, log base 1/2 of 4. Set that equal to the variable, so it equals a. Take your base, 1/2, raise it to what's on the other side of the equal sign, to the a power, and it's going to equal whatever we were taking the log of, so it will equal 4. Now we ask ourselves, 1/2 raised to what power equals 4? And, you can mess around on your calculator or say, I notice that the 1/2, I end up with 4 over 1, so what kind of exponent would make me flip that fraction? And maybe we would end up coming up with a -2. 1/2 to the -2 is equal to, when we have the fraction to the negative exponent, we did the shortcut of flipping the fraction, so 2 over 1, and giving it the positive exponent, so 2 squared over 1 squared, which gives us the 4. So we're finding our a value is a -2, which means our final answer, we will say log base 1/2 of 4 equals that -2. Alright, last one. Here's a natural log of e to the 4. Again, always start off, just set it equal to our variable, and we now need to identify our base. All natural log functions, they don't bother to put the base in for you, but it's that base of e. So we take our base of e, raise it to our exponent, raise it to the a power, and it's going to equal whatever we were taking the natural log of, so it's going to equal e to the 4th. So we have e to the a power equals e to the 4th, and then we just ask ourselves, well, what does a have to be so that these two are equal? We can say, well, if a is a 4, we'd have e to the 4th equal e to the 4th, and now it's a true statement. So our final answer, we know that it's the 4. So the natural log of e to the 4th is equal to 4. And there's our answer.